Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of semi-Kanchipuram borderless soft silk sarees. The sarees are coming with contrast rich pallu with tassels, and the body throughout there are unique putta weavings along with a contrast plain blouse. And these beautiful collections are priced at 1150 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders DM to the given WhatsApp number, and if you guys wanted our regular update you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys enjoy these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.